What up, YouTube? It's your boy Killa Camm. Today, I'm about to add some upgrades to the lab. So as you can see, this has been my table for too long. So today, we got a new one. It is right here. So let's get it out the box. This mother low key heavy. Alright, let's crack this mother open. It's funny, it say do not cut with sharp objects.
Dude, fucking up already.
Fucking up already. Niggas do not read directions.
You gotta be quiet so it's ASMR.
Oh, weak as hell. Supposed to. Trying to get the mic into this shit. Currently watching the NBA playoff game. What we got? 60-66, third quarter. Dre on the screen. Yeah, let's see what Ant-Man got today. Okay, let's get back to the installation. See what we got here. I honestly hate putting shit together.
At this point.
I really do. I'd put everything together in this goddamn house. I'm really tired of putting stuff together. Let's say, please have the following tools ready. Since when the fuck you need a drill? A drill? A drill, hammer, gloves, and measuring tape. The fuck are we putting together? We're doing a goddamn engine swap at this point. Okay, y'all. So as you can see, officially done with the table. I low-key thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but let me know what y'all think. I probably could have cleaned it off, but. So those are the drawers. I'm finna put the drawers together, but I wanted to show y'all the table. And then let me light it up for y'all right quick. Want to know what y'all think, man. I'm going to find a better plug-up spot, but I just want to test it out. Yes. So it is the same. I'm gonna show you this right quick. So look, this is the remote for my desk over there. And as you can see, they both change. So yes, this is perfect. This is perfect. Not only that, but that lamp back there too. If you see that lamp back there, it's all the same thing. So cool. That's really good because I got too many remotes to be trying to separate stuff and stuff like that. So, okay, y'all. Now that we got our table put together, I'm gonna put these drawers together and let's have a little yap session. Let me holler at y'all right quick, man. First of all, comment down below if you made it this far in the video. Comment down below Milwaukee for the Milwaukee drill. But yeah, we finna put these drawers together. I think it's only 2 drawers, so they shouldn't really take that long. Should be relatively easy. But while I'm doing this, let's see. I need 5 screws, 18, 17, 16. That. Just double checking. So let me holler at y'all right quick. I just want to talk to people about, I want to talk to my subscribers about growing and also managing stress and mental health. Hey, first of all, if there's anything you're trying to do in this world, you can do it. And I feel like you should believe in yourself no matter what you're trying to do in this world. You see somebody who is super successful and you can see yourself doing that craft, all you have to do is put forth the time, okay? Put forth the time and the effort. You're gonna have to learn something. Like, let's say for this YouTube shit, it's gonna take time for you to learn how to do this. It's gonna take time and effort for you to learn how to upload videos, what people like, and all that. So it's gonna take time and effort to do anything you want to do in this world. And I'm pretty sure you guys know that. But also, you have to manage yourself. When I say you have to manage yourself to the point where you don't let outside things distract you. When I say outside things, I mean um, things that aren't relevant towards your success. So if if you're letting if you're letting outside things distract you and it takes your mind off of your goals, then that will slow you down and it will not allow you to reach your goals. Now, what are these things that could be holding you back? It could be friends that you thought were friends. It could be going out, clubbing, not spending your money on the right things, and it could also be like stress and your mental health. And me personally, I have experienced a lot of stress. I have went through a lot of things that made me feel like giving up, not like just giving up as far as my craft. I've went through things that made me feel like nah, maybe I shouldn't do this. Maybe I should just give up. And I didn't give up, and look at me now. 5,000 subscribers later, it took a lot of work to get here. So why would I give up? Now, there's going to be things that's going to slow your growth. Like me personally, I lost my brother in a car crash, and he was really, 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 I can't even put words on it, how important he was to me, honestly. He was probably the most important thing. It was probably the most important thing in my life. I just didn't realize it yet. I didn't realize it till it was too late. Now, when I lost him, it kind of took my eyes off of my goals, and I wasn't able to focus on things that I needed to, and I wasn't able to progress like I needed to. Now, I got over that, and I became, stronger and better. I became more focused, everything. But everybody, what the hell? Okay. But everybody might not be as capable of doing that without, at first going through that adversity. Or everybody might not be as capable of getting through adversity as me or anybody else. And I'm not saying I'm fully capable, because it took me a long time. So when you are going through those things, those dark days, whatever you got going on, I know people have a lot of things going on, legal troubles. I know people have things going on with their baby mama drama, all that stuff, not being able to see your kids. Don't let that stuff get to you. And I know that's easier said than done, but what I like to do is I like to turn that to motivation. I like to take that bad energy, the things that I can't control, and turn that into things that I can control. And by doing that, I will better myself. And bettering yourself is always going to better your environment. It's very important to better your environment if you want to move up or level up in this world. Like me, for instance, right now, this is something very small, but the reason I'm putting this table together is bettering my environment so that I can put these videos together for y'all. Because the other day I was streaming and I was looking behind me and I was like, yeah, it's time to go ahead and upgrade that. Bettering my environment is making me more willing to put the work in that I need to do. So me bettering my environment, now I'm looking at it like I spent all this money. To get this done. So I have to do something with it, in a sense. Not necessarily this table, but anything. Even me buying this camera. I bought that camera. I spent the money. Now I am forced to make content, because otherwise I wasted my money and I wasted my time. So bettering your environment is the key to success and growing. And if your environment around you is bad, you need to be able to see that. You need to be able to see that so you can change that, whether it's people, parents, anything you got going on in your environment. You need to be able to see that so that you can fix that and stay away from that. Now, I'm not going to ramble too long. I just wanted to pretty much talk to y'all right quick, and hopefully anybody who's going through anything, hopefully this helps you get through it. And I just wanted to let y'all know that you can do anything you want to do in this world. I never really thought that I could be a YouTuber or get this many subscribers or even be able to be an adult and manage being an adult and taking care of my kids and going to work and all that stuff. If I never got over that hump of doing all those things, I don't grow as a person. And that's very small scale, but I say that so that you guys know. Hold on, got a phone call. But yeah. Finished putting these drawers together. Just want to give y'all a little motivation right quick, man. If you want to learn more about YouTube, content creation, go ahead and join that membership, man. The link is in the description. Go ahead and join my membership, and I will teach you more about growing as a content creator on YouTube and other platforms things that I have learned. That's all I got for y'all. Finished putting this together. I'll holler at y'all in a second. That's pretty much it. We got these. I'm finna clean this up, move that out the way, go put them in the storage room. And now we are looking better in the lab. I'm liking it already. I do say I wish the table was bigger, but it's okay because I'm thinking about moving that, taking that clothes rack, move that, and I'm gonna put a chair right there and possibly a chair right here, like a comfortable chair. So, yeah, I kind of like the small table. It just adds to the aesthetic of the room, and it lights up. Yes, sir. Real one for my real one. Real one.